Can I throw a ball?
Yeah, throw a ball.
Okay, I'll get it. Get your ball. I'll throw the ball. I'm scared of them.
Why?
Because they might bite me.
That's silly. I don't think they'll bite you.
I think so.
Yeah.
They're really sensitive. I think so.
Why do you say that?
Because I think they're going to be expensive.
Yeah.
Yes. Why are you not getting your ball? Oh!
I don't know. They're being silly now.
What are you doing? What are you doing?